friends, good morning everybody. Namaskar. Welcome to my channel, Life a Divine Blessing. Before I start with my talk, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Preeti, a Ayurveda consultant, a yoga practitioner, and a nutritionist with a holistic approach. So today we will have a talk on the most fundamental aspect of our life, or rather I would say the fundamental requirement of our life, which is what? Guess what? Yes, it is all about food. The food which is required for all of us, right from young kids to the elderly people. Food which we get in the form of fruits, different kind of vegetables with different colors. You can see they are so wonderful colors, which is all derived from the nature. The colors of the fruits like yellow, orange, red, green, different kind of vegetables, purple, the carrot. All these food which we get from the nature in the form of fruits and vegetable seeds all have a certain qualities within them and certain properties within them. All this food, when consumed by us and ingested by us, when it goes within us, these qualities of these fruits and vegetables are enhanced within us and they enrich the quality of our life. All this food, they give us, what they give us? They give us nutrition. Yes. So today we are going to have a talk on what is nutrition. What is the importance of nutrition in our day-to-day life? So let's have a look at it. So, what is nutrition? It is a balanced diet consisting of various kinds of food which provides us adequate amount of essential nutrients for growth, metabolism and repair of body. Food. It is the most essential substance which all living beings eat or drink and plants to absorb it from soil and air. Food provides nourishment to all the living beings on the planet Earth. It plays a major role in its growth and maintenance. These different kinds of foods are classified in two types of nutrients: macronutrients, micronutrients. Both are equally important for a healthy body and a healthy mind. Coming to the macronutrients, these are the nutrients which are required in larger amount. They are proteins, carbohydrates, fats and water. Micronutrients include vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are classified into fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble includes vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. Water soluble includes vitamin B and C. Minerals include sodium, chlorine, iodine, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, iron and manganese. Now let us have a look at the first type of macronutrients, is proteins. Calories required from proteins intake is 10 to 35%. Functions of macronutrients. As we all know that we need energy for the growth and various activities of body like walking, running, studying, playing and many more internal physiological and psychological activities, and repair of tissues is derived from macronutrients. Functions of proteins. It is essential for growth and development of body in form of muscles, bones, skin, hormones and all other essential substances which altogether form a body. Sources of proteins: milk, dairy products like paneer, cheese, yogurt, beans, nuts, soya products. All type of food grains, example green gram, horse gram, lentils, pulses, all these are rich in proteins. Eggs, healthy protein derived from animal sources.
includes poultry, fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna. Meat, fish, eggs, and poultry are rich. Coming to fats, calories required from fats is 20 to 35%. When we say fats or fatty foods, an instant thought comes in our mind is that fat are not good for health. They tend to increase weight. However, a moderate amount of fat is required for the body. Fat is stored in form of energy in the body which is used as a fuel source to conduct various activities in the body. It also plays an important role in producing hormones. Estrogen helps in absorption of vitamin A, D and E. There are two types of fats. Good fats, which is known as unsaturated fats, and saturated fats, which means the bad fats. Sources of fats: nuts, dairy products, coconuts, seeds like sunflower, pumpkin, vegetable oil, meat, fish, especially the salmon and the tuna, butter, walnuts, coconut oil. All these are sources of fats. Coming to the two types of fats, saturated fats, which are said to be the bad fats, which are solid at room temperature, mostly found in animal foods, meat, cheese, eggs, margarine, coconut oil, palm oil, sugar, sweets, commercially baked products like biscuits, donuts, cake, pastries, pizza, burgers, oily food, and fried food. Coming to the unsaturated fats, fats which are liquid at room temperature. Example: olive oil, canola oil, soya bean, almonds, cashew nuts, corn oil. These are good fats as they have low risk of heart disease. Let's have a look at the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates intake required for the body is normally 45 to 65%. Function of carbohydrates: they are mainly sugar, fiber, and starch. They are the main source of energy for the body. Source of carbohydrates: whole wheat, grain, bread, potatoes, cereals, different types of cereals which includes rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, oats, barley, pasta, corn. Sugar, honey, sweet potato, ice cream, chocolates, candy, aerated drinks like soft drinks, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. Coming to water. It is the most important essential nutrients that every living being on the earth requires for survival. It is the most basic component of life. Every cell in the body requires water to function. As you all know, our body is made up of 5 elements, right? It's made of 5 elements like earth, water, air, fire, and space. Out of these 5 elements, 72% of our body is made up of water. Like the water constitution on our body is 72%. So it plays that important role in our body. Functions of water. Water keeps the body hydrated, it regulates the body temperature, quenches thirst, helps to flush all toxins in form of urine, sweat, helps in digestion and prevents constipation. Sources of water. Natural water from rivers, springs, lakes. Unsweetened water, bottled water. Nowadays, the concept of tap water is no more. This reminds me about my childhood. During the days in the 80s, there were no Bisleri bottles for sale. We did not have to pay for drinking water. During vacations, when we used to go by trains to my granny's place, we used to carry a water bottle from home. If water would finish, halfway my mom used to get it filled from the taps at the railway station platform. It was so safe back then to drink because the natural water, more the nutrients in it. We never felt sick because of it. Water from natural sources without much processing is rich in all the nutrients. Coming back to the micronutrients, these includes vitamins and minerals. Vitamins play a major role in boosting the immune system, protects us from various diseases, provides healthy skin and strengthens bone, helps in metabolism of proteins and carbohydrates. Vitamins are classified in two groups, like fat soluble vitamins, which includes vitamin A, D, and K, as we have seen before, and water soluble vitamins includes B and C. Vitamins play a major role in boosting the immune system, protects us from various diseases, provides healthy skin and strengthens bone, helps in metabolism of proteins and carbohydrates. Vitamins are classified in two groups, like fat soluble vitamins, which includes vitamin A, D, and K, as we have seen before, and water soluble vitamins includes B and C. Now let us have a look at the vitamins, their functions, sources from where we get the vitamins, and disease due to deficiency of vitamins. Let us have a quick look at this. Vitamin A. It improves eyesight, promotes cell growth, and increases immunity. Sources from which they are derived: papaya, mango, watermelon, red grapefruit, sweet potato, eggs, carrots, apricots, spinach, green leafy vegetables, liver, fish, cheese, butter, and almonds. Disease due to deficiency of vitamins: night blindness, dry skin, dry eyes, throat infections, delayed growth. Next, vitamin D. Let us have a look at its functions. It helps in absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the blood, forms strong bones. Sources from which vitamin D is derived: eggs, fish, salmon, tuna, cod liver oil, and shark liver oil. Disease due to deficiency of vitamins: rickets, soft bones, weak absorption of nutrients, leading to poor digestion, and osteoporosis. Next vitamin, it is vitamin E. Let us have a look at its function. Vitamin E helps as an antioxidant. The sources from which vitamin E is derived: nuts, fish, green veggies, broccoli, almonds, walnuts, vegetable oil. Example: sunflower oil, corn, wheat germ. Disease due to deficiency of vitamin E is very rare, which includes like nerve or muscle damage. Coming to the next vitamin, vitamin K. Its function is it helps in blood clotting. The sources from which vitamin K is derived: it's green leafy vegetables, lettuce, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, mustard, and green figs. Disease due to deficiency of vitamins: bleeding, poor bone development. Let us have a look at the water soluble vitamins, which includes vitamin B. It includes vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12. All these are grouped under vitamin B. Let us have a look at their functions. It helps in metabolism and for nervous function, brain function, and RBC productions. Sources from which they are derived: seafood, tuna, poultry, whole grains, milk, mushrooms, avocado, green leafy vegetables, eggs, apricots. Coming to the next, water soluble vitamins, vitamin C. The functions: protects us from disease, increases immunity, improves skin, and helps in healing wounds. Let's have a look at their sources. All types of berries, strawberries, blueberries, cranberry, gooseberries, oranges, lemon, tomatoes, all citrus fruits, apples. Next class of micronutrients, which includes minerals. Yes, they are grouped into two forms: macro minerals and trace minerals. Macro minerals means which are required in a bit more amount, and trace minerals which are required in very small quantity. Among them comes the sodium. It's needed for fluid balance in the body and muscle contraction. Sources: table salt. Next, chloride. Its function: for fluid balance in the body. Sources: water, veggies, salt. Next mineral: calcium. Let's have a look at its function. Healthy bones and teeth. Regulates blood pressure and immune system. Sources from where we get this mineral: milk, milk products, fats, fish, fatty fish, broccoli, eggs, green legume, ragi, lentils. Ragi is very rich in calcium. Coming to other minerals: phosphorus. Its function: for healthy bones and teeth. Sources from where we get this mineral: fish, meat, eggs, milk and milk products. Coming to the next mineral: magnesium. Function: for muscle contraction, nervous function. Sources: water, brinjal, banana, nuts, seeds. Iron. Its functions: essential for formation of blood, found in RBCs. Sources: meat, dry fruits, cereals, broccoli, green leafy vegetables, egg, especially the egg yolk. Next is trace minerals: zinc. Let's have a look at its function. For growth, required in formation of protein and genetic material, production of sperm and sexual maturation. Sources: meat, fish, whole grains, vegetables. Coming to the next trace minerals: iodine. Essential for thyroid hormones, essential for growth and development. Sources from where we get iodine: especially the salt, iodized salt, seafood, crabs, seashell, oysters. Coming to other trace minerals: copper. Required for metabolism of iron. Sources: legumes, nuts, whole grains and water. Next trace minerals: manganese. Function: required for digestion and metabolism. Sources derived: vegetables, banana. Coming to other trace minerals: selenium. Its function is it plays an important role in antioxidants, that is, removing the toxins from the body. Sources: mostly in seafoods and food. So, we have already seen the importance of food for growth and development of the body, the various type of nutrients, their functions, and the various plants and animal sources from which they are derived. Good health is not only gained by eating healthy, nutritious food, but along with it, it's very important what you eat, the way you chew it, the way you eat it, with what emotions the food is consumed and prepared. All these things have a great significance scientifically and holistically. Food is referred as Annapurneshwari, is a goddess of food and nourishment. Food that we eat, we should always be thankful when we receive it on our plate in the form of breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, whatsoever. In today's modern age, this thing is rarely practiced at home to join our hands and pray before grabbing a bite from a food plate. So, let us imbibe this practice in our day to day life. It definitely makes a lot of difference. You can just try it from today. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.